at 217 miles per hour. He went that to 217. He had no parachutes down in front of the racetrack, was able to get the car stopped and around the turn. And Joshua Schwartz to the right side. As they're going to back him up again, and oh, no.
I think I see a little moisture on those tires there, Fabian, here for James Kempf. Now, I don't know what that's going to showcase, but I can tell you this. Josh Schwartz, though, if those tires are wet, it may help Schwartz out. Now, he has struggled to leave the starting line also this week, and he's had one good qualifying effort. That got him into the field here with that Whipple Supercharged Challenger. So we could see a potential odd matchup here. Now, the all-wheel drive entry there, left side of James Kempf, has put some fantastic passes on here at the Haltech World Cup Finals, and we'll see if Schwartz could maybe get very lucky and steal one. What an arm!
Wow, I think the ladies of the World Cup Finals throwing T-shirt, but here we go. And look at this, pedal
Schwartz
fast!
is pedaling out there. Issues for Kempf. Schwartz might steal one.
But Kemp's trying to chase it down.
The challenger of
Oh!
gonna steal one. Upset City here at the World Cup. 10:24 with an 8 at 147 there for the challenger. 11:06.3 for Kempf. Issues on both sides of the racetrack. It's gonna be Josh Schwartz able to get enough to get it back.
Y le pasó factura el foul que cometieron haciendo el burnout atrás del agua. Pasan por encima del agua, no hacen el burnout, se mete con las gomas mojadas y le cuesta la carrera a Jeff Kempf en la CB más rápida del mundo.
Wow, what a run there, and Joshua Schwartz with the win of his life. As we have a replay of this one, as look at that, they both strikes the tires, jumps back in it, and gets sideways. He's like, I don't see him, I don't see him, I don't see him. And James Kempf was coming hard, but just ran out of racetrack.
I feel like Kempf must have had more than one issue because I feel like it was not just the moisture on the tires, but maybe missed a shift in the process.